Hello, my name is Vytautas, and today we'll present our website, which helps to go forwards with your boat project. So the website is ai.rm7.lt, and here you can go to the boat, and all about this project is here. Our main focus is on sets. You just press here and choose one of the sets. It's either minimal, it's only for boat control. There is recommended. In this set you will get all what you need for your boat, all the electronics except the frame, as the frame most of you are doing at your classes, so the frame is separately, and the max set is all what is included in recommended, but some parts are even better with more capabilities, and there is some extra sensors, so it's like the best what can you get. And of course, if you need the main board separately, you can choose motherboard, and when you choose motherboard you have some options. You can add Arduino Mega, GPS unit, SD card, and so on. And just by pressing what you need and then add to cart, you will see how much it costs. You can press continue shopping, go back to the boat, sets, and if you need something more, of course we recommend to use this recommended set, as it includes all what you need. In the description you will find all the parts what is inside. And also you can choose which batteries to add or to buy without batteries. And if you need some separate parts, for example some electronic parts to remote controllers or some additional motors or receivers, you can add it separately. And if you don't find any particular parts here, you can write for us if you need some additional parts. And of course we have some fun stuff. We adding some LED lights, some camera, video screen for you to have more fun with your project. And of course separately you can add some batteries. There is of course chargers, and if you need the option for bigger battery also is here. So you just pressing of what you need, press add to cart, continue shopping, back to boat, batteries, let's put some charger, add to cart, continue shopping, boat, sensors. Here you have all the sensors you may need. So the pump, the temperature sensor, you just press on it, add to cart, continue, and when you're all done, you can just send us the basket, and we will continue discussing with you. Maybe you will have some suggestions from us. Maybe you don't need some parts, so when we will discuss this, what you need and what not. Basically all is like almost prepared, but some issues might be discussed further. So it's very simple, just go and try it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.